Hello everyone! Today we are going to talk about adjective phrases. Adjectives help you to be more descriptive in your writing, but adjective phrases take it even a step further. Let's find out more. Let's begin by reviewing what an adjective is. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or pronoun. Remember, a pronoun is a word that takes the place of the noun. So instead of saying Mr. Riven, you could say he or him. Adjectives tell you what kind, how much, how many, or which one. Let's look at some examples of adjectives. Blue, 6, happy, friendly, silly, smart, spicy, muddy. These are all words that you can use to describe a noun or a pronoun, such as the sky is blue. I have 6 students in my classroom. He is a happy dog. She is a friendly teacher. The little girl is silly. My neighbor is very smart. I love spicy food, and the dog is muddy. You can see how these words help describe that noun. So when we think about adjective phrases, what is the difference? Well, an adjective phrase is a group of words that modify or describe a noun or pronoun in a sentence. Notice that I put in bold group of words. That's really the only difference. Let's look at the example. The final exams were incredibly difficult. Our noun is exams. So we need to think about the words that are being used to modify or describe the exams. Then you will see incredibly difficult is underlined. That is our adjective phrase. It is the group of words that is used to describe or modify the noun exams. The adjective phrase can be placed before or after the noun or pronoun in the sentence. Before we move on, it's important to know the difference between adjectives and adjective phrases because they're quite similar. The only difference between using adjectives and an adjective phrase is really the number of words that you choose. Let's look at 2 examples. By using just a simple adjective, you could say, the smelly dog is sleeping. Dog is our noun, which is highlighted in bold. Smelly is our adjective. One simple word, the smelly dog is sleeping. An adjective phrase is different because it uses a group of words. We can take the same sentence and make it a little more descriptive by using an adjective phrase. The disgustingly smelly dog is sleeping. Instead of just using smelly, we added the word disgustingly. Therefore, disgustingly smelly is our adjective phrase. Okay. Let's look at some more examples. In each of these 5 sentences, I have the noun or pronoun highlighted. Let's look at number 1. This pie is very delicious and extremely expensive. What words or groups of words are used to describe the pie? You should have answered to yourself, very delicious and extremely expensive. These are our 2 adjective phrases. The 2 different groups of words used to describe our noun, pie. Sentence 2. Everyone was extremely delighted when the winner was announced. Everyone is our pronoun. So what are the words used to describe everyone? The adjective phrase should be extremely delighted. Sentence 3. The new outfit was very pricey but really beautiful. What word or words are used to describe the new outfit? You should have selected very pricey and really beautiful. These are our adjective phrases. Number 4, Mom said the cost of a car is way too high. The cost of the car is what is being described here. It is described as being way too high. That is our adjective phrase. And number 5, faster than a speeding bullet, Superman was finished in no time. Superman being our noun, or proper noun. The adjective phrase would be faster than a speeding bullet. Okay, now it is your turn to try. Please pause the video and copy the sentences below. I would like you to then underline the adjective phrases, as we just did in our last slide. Example number 1 and 2 have already had the nouns selected in bold for you. So it gives you a little bit of a clue as to what the words are that you are going to be describing. When ready to check your work, you may press play. Okay, let's go ahead and check your work. Number 1, your apple pie smells very tempting. Apple pie was already in bold for you. The adjective phrase or group of words that describe the noun of apple pie is smells very tempting. Number 2, the extremely tired kitten fell asleep by her food dish. Kitten was in bold for you, indicating that to be the noun. You should have underlined extremely tired. This is really one of the first ones we've seen where the adjective phrase came before the noun. Remember, it can come before or after the noun. Number 3, the overly enthusiastic fans painted their bodies with the team's colors. Fans is our noun here. The adjective phrase used to describe fans is overly enthusiastic. And number 4, a dog covered in mud makes a mess in a car. Dog being our noun, the adjective phrase is covered in mud. I hope you did a great job. Thanks for working with me today. It is now time for your application assignment. Please see your teacher for further instructions, and remember to be descriptive.